Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to clone Facebook app on LDPlayer 9. If you have multi-Facebook accounts and you don't want to log in or log out again and again in one Facebook app, then you can clone the Facebook app to whatever numbers you want. And to clone your Facebook app, you need to install App Cloner first, and you can download the App Cloner file by clicking on the link Telegram group that I have provided in description. Then drag the file to drop on your desktop. Then go to your LDPlayer and click on APK to install the App Cloner from your computer. And after finish the installation, then open the App Cloner. And it's not just only Facebook, you absolutely can clone every apps you want. Just go to install the app that you want to clone from Play Store, then it will show up in the App Cloner. But now, I'm going to clone Facebook. So just click on Facebook, and before you clone any apps, then I recommend you to check the apps version first, and make sure you update your apps to the latest version before you clone it. To check the apps version, just open the Play Store, then type the app's name. And if your app's available for update, then you should update it to the latest version. And when your updating finished, then go to close the App Cloner and open it again. After your app got the latest version, then let's go to clone it. But before start the cloning, we need to turn on some settings first. Let's follow the video. Okay, after finish the setting, then let's go to clone the app. Click on clone number. Then click on batch cloning. Then here you can change the cloning numbers to how many app you want. And you should check the box to append the app number and random the app icon color. Then set the start number to end number. And for me, I just clone the first time. So I start from number 1 and to number 10, cause I want to clone only 10 apps for now. But you can set more than 10 if you need more Facebook apps. After set the numbers, then click OK. Then click on tick box to start clone. And be patient, your cloning will start from 1 to 10 automatically, then it may take you some time to finish. And now I'm going to speed up the video to make it shorter. And after the cloning finished, then let's click install the apps one by one. After you click installed, then you don't need to do anything, it will start the next number automatically, you just wait to click install when the message pop up. And I hope you followed the steps. Now, I'm going to speed up the video to make it shorter. And after finish the installation, then close the app clone, and go to check your Facebook apps on your LDPlayer home screen. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then make sure you click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you very soon. Bye for now.